Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great video. I hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I make this beautiful and delicious Efo Riro. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you all for tuning in. If you want to know how I make this, please stay tuned and let's dive into the video. Here we are, beautiful people, welcome back. So before we go ahead with the rest ingredients for the meat cooking, I would like us to blend some few ingredients that we are going to be using for the cooking of the meat, which is onions, garlic, ginger and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to blend the stuff and pour it into the meat, and I will add all the necessary ingredients that need to be added to the meat. You can use any ingredient of your choice to cook your meat. So here are the ingredients I will like to use to cook the meat: some salt, some curry powder, rosemary leaf, black pepper, oregano leaf, and my Maggi cube. These are the ingredients that I use to cook the meat. You can use any ingredients of your choice or any spicy to make your meat stock. After I allow the meat to steam with the ingredients for some minutes, I give it a good stir, and I decided to pour in a lot of water that will be enough for the meat to cook. So as we allow the meat to continue cooking, I want to say a very big thank you, appreciation to all my old and new subscribers. Here is my spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice for this recipe. And here is my red bell pepper, long pepper, and scotch bonnet pepper and onions. Two types of onions, the one I will be slicing and the one I will be blending. And I also have my palm oil. Yes, you need palm oil for this. And that is my smoked fish as well, salt, Maggi cube, and that is all for the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. It's very easy to put together and so delicious and rich, yes, and also healthy. The other ingredient that is not here, this is mushroom. I decided to use mushroom because I were not having crayfish when I was doing this video, and you all know I love mushroom if you have been following me on my channel. So I love mushroom, and it came out so well and delicious without crayfish. I'm going to continue to blend all the ingredients that need to be blended, and I have sliced the onions as well, or diced the onions, and that is it. I will pour in hot water for my spinach to get soft, to press it out. That is it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and before I leave you all to enjoy the video, my meat is perfectly cooking well. Like you can see with the color, I love this meat, and everything came out so sweet. I will say a very big thank you for all the love, the support, for always tuning in to all my video. May God Almighty bless you, my old subscribers, my new one, you that is subscribing from this video. May God bless you. I just deboned the smoked fish before using it, so that is it. And if you are still watching us, you have not yet subscribed, please do well to support your lady. Support me, encourage me, please, by watching my video, sharing it to your friends and family that need to see this kind of video. God bless you for doing that. And make sure subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that comes into this channel. Yes, and at last, if you find the video useful or you enjoy watching this video, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, which is like, share, and always subscribe to this channel. You will never regret it. I will be signing out for now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.